Hey, this is Claude Pelanne, and I am going to do a video about Medicare Medigap insurance. I have Medicare, and I'm currently in the open enrollment period, and I'm looking to see what Medigap policies are and what do you do to qualify for them. So I'm on Medicare.gov, and right here, there are 8 things you need to know about Medigap policies to qualify to get coverage. Let's go over them quickly. First, you have to have Medicare Part A and B. So if you're in Medicare, 65 and over, and you are in Medicare Part A and B, which I am, that is what you need in order to qualify for Medigap policy. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, you're going to have to drop that plan if you opt for Medigap policy. I have a Medicare Advantage plan. That's what I'm in, but I'm checking out Medigap. Number 3, you have to pay a private insurance company a monthly premium for your Medigap policies, in addition to the monthly Part B premium that you pay to Medicare. Yes, so I'm already paying a Part B premium, and now I'm going to be looking to see what the premiums are. They're defined by your zip code and your age. Medigap policy owners covers only one person. That means if you are married, you have to have one policy, and your spouse has to have their own policy. You can buy a Medigap policy from any insurance company that's licensed in your state. The states regulate who can offer Medigap policy in each state. Standardized Medigap policy is guaranteed renewable. If once you get in, they can't get you out, or they can't boot you out for conditions that are chronic. Medigap policies sold in the past cover prescription drugs. Most Medigap policies today don't cover prescription drugs. You have to go to Medicare Part D or buy a separate insurance policy for Medicare for drugs. It's illegal to sell anyone a Medigap policy if you have Medicare medical savings account. Okay, so those are the 8 qualifiers to get you in. Now, Medigap policies come in different varieties, and they're given a letter designator. So there is Medigap A, B, C, D, F, G, K, L, M, N. Some of these F come in 2 varieties, one with a deductible, one without one. But that's the whole panoply of policies that are offered. No one insurance company offers all of them. So different insurance companies offer a different combination of these plans. Now, the thing that this video is about is going to be the benefits. Now, a Medicare Gap plan is defined by the benefits that it offers. And all these benefits are defined by the Medicare law, so they're the same. So all Medigap A policies are going to be the same in terms of offering a set of benefits. The difference will be pricing between one company and another. Same holds true for all of these policies. An F policy will cover exactly the same benefits, and you'll get different pricing from different companies depending on how your research goes. Now, what do these benefits what are these benefits? Well, Part A in your Medicare has a coinsurance and hospital costs involved in Part A. Remember, classic Medicare only covers 80% of your medical costs. 20% are up to you. That's why you're buying Medigap. Part B also, the doctor and service part of Medicare has coinsurance and copayment options. So Medigap policies can be bought to cover those. Medigap policies cover blood, 3 pints of it. Medigap policies can cover hospice care. As a matter of fact, they almost all do. There might be some with, well, here, the 50%, 75% coinsurance. So Medigap policies also can cover skilled nursing, that is convalescent care coming off of a medical procedure. Part A Medicare has a deductible, and that deductible is right here. Part A hospital inpatient deductible, $1,184. It's going to go up to $1,216. This covers a 60-day period during the course of a year. So this deductible can be invoked more than once during the course of a year, depending on what happens. And then you can see here what you pay in terms of days in a hospital. The first 60 days you're pretty much covered. Days 61 through 90, you have a co-insurance of $296 a day, and then beyond that, $592, etc. So those are the deductibles. So you have Medigap policies that will cover those costs, and that's the Part A deductible. Part B deductible, getting back to, is $147 a year, and that's going to be the same in 2014. So that's a deductible in your doctor service and other service deductible, $147. And some Medigap policies will cover that, and some will not. Part B excess charges. These are charges above and beyond what Medicare pays for a particular procedure or intervention. So in my case, I had a CAT scan done. The CAT scan cost $2,000. Medicare only paid $250 of that, and anything above the $250 would be an excess charge. Now, by law, they can only charge 15% above what Medicare pays. So 15% of $250, I don't know what that is. That's the maximum they can charge, and I would be I would have that to pay out of, unless I had a Medigap policy that covers Part B excess charges. So that's what that is. Foreign travel is self-explanatory. Some Medigap policies cover foreign travel, some do not. Classic Medicare does not cover foreign travel. So, and then out-of-pocket limits, there's not an information here, but generally speaking, once you reach your out-of-pocket limit, Medicare will cover 100%. So some of these policies can cover some of those out-of-pockets. That's the list of these benefits. So the next video, we're going to go in and look at these A through N and see who covers what, and what some of the pricing might be. Now, the pricing depends on your zip code and your age. So if you're in a high income zip code, your pricing is going to be higher than if you were in a lower pricing zip code. That's really what I've been seeing in my research. So that's it. That's the primer on Medigap policies, part 1. I hope this has been helpful. This is Claude Pelanne. Talk soon.